how to update iOS 15.7.8 to iOS 17 or 18 on your iPhone. So if you want to update your iOS to the latest version, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down, go with general, and here you need to go with software update and make sure that you turn on your software updates. Once you've turned on your software updates, now even after updating, if you don't find the update option, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go back, open up your Safari, and search for beta.apple.com. And now just go with the first option. And here you will have this kind of interface. You need to scroll down and go with sign in. And it will ask you to sign into your Apple account. So go and sign in. After signing in, you'll have this kind of interface. You need to scroll down again and tap on enroll your iOS device. And now scroll down, go with open beta updates. And it will take you to this kind of interface. And under this, you need to select iOS 18 public beta. And after that, go back. And as you can see, that you will have update now option. You need to go and update it. So that's how you can get updates on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.